Congressman, another topic in education that is critical is the frequent class suspensions and the loss of learning hours for the students. How can we address this?
Says, first, we already tried to adjust it before. If you recall, yung
Yes.
academic calendar, ginawa nating
Oo
summer.
nga, pabago-bago tayo, Congressman. Ano ba talaga? Paano?
Yes, but that did not work kasi masyado mainit. Marami ring times na nagka-cancel ang klase. So again, dalawa lang ang weather natin sa Pilipinas. Tagtuyot at tagulan. Rainy lang at summer. So now, nandito na tayo. Sabi mga Arces, hindi pwedeng babago-bago. Nandito na tayo, back to the old academic calendar. The Department of Education has a new curriculum. Under this new curriculum, binawasan nila yung competencies, binawasan nila yung subjects para nakafocus sa functional literacy.
Right.
Yung reading comprehension, mathematics, science, and GMRC. And because of that, ginawa pa nilang three semesters.
Right.
And by reducing the subjects and the competencies, ang sinabi sa amin ng DepEd, yung instructional time na binigay nila ngayon, under that, dapat may allowance pa yon for yung mga times na walang pasok. Kasi alam naman natin, either uulan talaga or masyado mainit. So again, let's give this a chance.
Okay.
But
Okay.
DepEd, I think, should also adjust and be more clear with the schools and the local officials dito sa pag-declare ng no classes at pag-resume. Hindi naman pwede, Ses, na yung kunyari nakita naman natin yung Pag-asa now, medyo localized na sila eh. When they give us weather bulletins. Hindi naman siguro dapat yung buong probinsya. Hindi naman siguro yung buong syudad. Dapat mabigyan, DepEd should really go inform the local executives, the principals, superintendents. May call rin kayo dito. Kung sa locality ninyo, walang problema, then resume classes as soon as possible or don't suspend classes. Kasi iba talaga yung like today, di ba, ang sabi ng Pag-asa, Metro Manila, merong orange, merong yellow. Iba eh. So doon pala makikita natin, medyo localized na. And again,
So more granular yung
more granular.
ang decision making.
Let's trust the principals and the local executives and the superintendents too. And again, says, we will go back to the parents. Ang parents naman pwede rin mag-decide. Whether or not, sabihin ng school may pasok. Pag nakita nyo naman, medyo hindi kayong komportable, pwede nyo naman sabihin, huwag ka na muna pumasok. I mean, that is parental authority. At the end of the day, yun pa rin yung first Yun yung first gate Yung second gate are the schools. And then local officials.